You've completed your library workshop and now you need to show your professor proof that you finished it. Don't stress, this takes only a minute. First, go into the workshop and click on Grades in the course menu. Next, choose Arrange By, select Module, and click Apply. This groups all the workshop quizzes together so they're easy to find. In this test account, you can see the completed workshop listed at the top. Now click Print Grades. When the print window opens, change the printer option to Save as PDF. This saves a clean copy to your computer and makes sure your name and scores are clearly visible for your professor. You can then upload this PDF to Canvas or email it to your professor, depending on what they ask for. If you have any questions or run into any problems, please reach out to the reference desk and we can help you. You can email us at sclibrary@saddleback.edu or call us at 949-582-4525 during the library's open hours.